How to download and install the Pinduoduo app on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to download the Pinduoduo app on your Android device. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Pinduoduo is a Chinese online retailer with a focus on traditional agriculture industry. The business is the largest product of the PDD Holdings, which also owns the online marketplace on Temu. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Google Play Store and head over to the search bar at the bottom right corner and then simply search for Pinduoduo. Although the app is on Chinese, you can just search for Pinduoduo and it will pop up on your screen. So as you can see, it has more than 1 million plus downloads. And if you want to see the app's details, you can do that as well. And it is officially by the company world.li. So all you have to do is hit on the install button right here, wait for it to complete the download. Then you can just create an account when the app is downloaded and enjoy the app. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.